Welcome to Peppa Pig's house. Meet Peppa Pig, a lovable and playful little pig who loves to explore her house and go on adventures. This is Peppa Pig's Papa's car. It's red, just like Peppa Pig's red dress. This is Peppa Pig's Mama's sofa. No, Peppa, no. No jumping on the sofa. Yum! This is where Peppa's mummy cooks delicious meals and makes yummy snacks. No, Peppa, don't touch the hot pot. Mummy Pig is a great chef. She uses the stove to make Peppa's favorite dinners. Let's open the fridge and see what's inside. Peppa loves to help her mummy shop for groceries. Green pepper. Orange. Banana. Milk. Cake. Onion. Strawberry. Blueberry. Peppa, let's go back to the living room so we can name a few objects. Sofa. Carpet. Lamp. Coffee table. Bookshelf. Time for a bath. Peppa loves playing with her rubber duckies in the tub. Sink. Toilet. Toilet paper. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. Towel. This is where Peppa sleeps and has wonderful dreams. Peppa's bed is so cozy with her favorite blanket and pillow. I hope you had fun exploring Peppa's house with me. Do you want to come back and play with Peppa again soon? Please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos of Peppa.